Have you ever heard the saying, you make your money when you buy? Well, you don't make money unless you buy, so you have to find properties and find discounted distressed deals in order to make money. And then of course you have to execute properly, especially if you don't want to use any of your own money. You need to find distressed properties. Now there are two main reasons why you're going to find a distressed property at a discount. Something wrong with the property, or the owner of that property is distressed. But in this video, I'm going to talk about how to find distressed properties in 2023. Let's start out with a bang. Number one, wholesalers. We buy over 100 houses a year from wholesalers. Now, what are wholesalers? Wholesalers are people that are out there finding distressed properties and buying them or getting them under contract at discounts, and then they mark them up and sell them to real estate investors like you and I. They do all the hard work, they do all the negotiations, they don't want to close on the property, and they definitely don't want to repair the property. So if you're willing to close on a property and fix it up and then sell it or keep it as a rental, wholesaler should be your number 1, 2, and 3 option. Shoot, if you're looking to buy 10 properties or less this year, I wouldn't spend $1 on marketing. I would spend my time and energy connecting and contacting wholesalers in your local market. Wholesaling is something that doesn't require any money or any credit or any experience actually to get involved in. So there are a ton of wholesalers in every single market. Now, you want to talk to the ones that are actually doing deals, and you find them by going to your local real estate investing Facebook groups and joining your local real estate investing meetups. More on that one later, but go out and find local wholesalers in your market. They'll do all the hard work. They'll do all the negotiations. You look at the property, they'll bring it to you with pictures and a video and maybe even an in-site visit, and then you just formulate your offer. And if that number works for you, great, they'll sell it to you, and they will maybe make 500 grand or they'll make 50,000. It doesn't really matter. You actually want them to make more money so they continue to spend money on marketing and bring you deals. As long as the numbers work for you, you want it to be a win-win for both of you. So they're a great option for brand new investors and somebody that doesn't have a ton of extra time to spend on marketing or chasing down deals. The second option is buying or finding lists. And what do I mean by lists? I mean, there's public data out there that's all free and anyone can access, but there are certain sites and certain apps that will look through all that data and formulate it so that you can find someone that is more likely to sell a distressed property at a discount. Meaning, you can literally take a zip code that you want to buy a property in and you can scrub it, and you can say, I only want people that are non-owner occupants, meaning it's an investment property, that have at least 50% equity and that are going into pre-foreclosure. So that person is probably going to sell that house soon and sell it at a discount. You can buy those lists. There's a ton of different places to buy it. In the descriptions below, I have some free trials of some softwares that can help you with that. But just know there's a lot of lists out there and a lot of ways to find these distressed properties. So you're not just sending mail, calling, or texting a whole entire zip code. You want to do it strategically and you want to do it the right way. You kind of want to have a rifle approach and not so much a shotgun approach because you don't want to waste time, energy, and money. Number 3 is real estate agents. Real estate agents, similar to wholesalers, come across properties, and they sometimes come across properties that they need to sell now, or that the owner needs to sell now because there's something wrong with the house, there's something wrong with the owner. Whatever it may be, they need to sell quickly. Now, a good real estate agent's gonna buy and sell 20 houses a year maybe, and 1, maybe 2 of those houses is a distressed property that you're looking to buy. Majority of what they come across and what they buy and sell are retail ready properties, and that's not what you're looking for. You're looking for properties that are distressed and they need to sell now at a discount. That's where you can come in and save the day, be the cash buyer, help out the agent, help out the home seller, and get a property that you can then turn around and make money on. So real estate agents are a great source. They're like the front lines of real estate industry. They're in houses all the time, setting up listing appointments, setting up buying appointments, and just always in and out of properties. And a majority of what they come across is not gonna be what you want. But occasionally they will come across a deal that the homeowner needs to sell quickly, that it won't pass inspection, that they don't want people in and out the house, and they just need a fair cash offer. And then that real estate agent can get both sides of the commission. You get the property, the home seller gets what they want, and everybody wins and moves along with their lives. Number 4 is Bandit Signs. You know those little 2 foot by 3 foot, usually yellow signs on the side of the roads and on intersections that say "We buy houses." Sometimes they're written in Sharpie, sometimes they're actually printed on, but those are Bandit Signs, and those are a great, very, very inexpensive source to find deals. You can get 100 blank signs for probably 100, 150 bucks. You can probably get 100 ones that are printed on for maybe 200 bucks. And what you want to do is you want to go out and put these and place these in intersections that are busy. Now, there's some laws against it. You know, some people will run it over with a lawnmower, some people will take it down. So this is a short-term thing. You're not going to put a sign out there and it's going to be there 6 months later. You can put a sign out. A lot of people will put them out on a Friday and pick them up on a Sunday, or they'll just put them out there until they get taken down. Now, there are some legalities to this, so make sure you check with your local municipality or be willing to get a call from a potentially pissed off person or some authority. You're not going to go to jail for it, but what I would suggest doing is putting a Google number on there so it's not your personal cell phone number, and then if you get in trouble or if somebody calls you and tells you to take it down, just go take it down. No need to start a fight over something that simple. However, when you're driving around and you're seeing these signs all over the place, because if you start to look for them, you will see them, I promise. When you're driving around and you're at a stoplight, don't do this while you're driving. Take your phone out and just take a quick picture of that Bandit sign. Guess what that is? That is a wholesaler that is trying to come across deals. More than likely, it's not somebody that's going to take down that property. They want to get a property lead, they want to negotiate with the seller, and they want to get under contract and sell it to someone like you. So that's another way to come across more wholesalers that you can network with. And if a wholesaler is spending the time, energy, and money putting out Bandit signs, they're probably a good wholesaler to get to know. They're probably getting leads and getting buys for people. And if you want to be one of those people, call or text that number on that sign when you get a minute, introduce yourself and tell them you're looking to buy properties in that area. So kind of a double win. You put out your own signs and take pictures of other people's signs. Number 5 is going to your local meetups and connecting with your local community. I literally just had coffee a couple weeks ago with one of my students, and he bought 3 rental properties in his first 4 months, and his 3rd rental property he bought, he met someone at our local meetup, struck up a conversation, and ended up buying a house from them that night. So these are places where you can connect with other wholesalers, connect with other real estate agents, but also you can buy and sell properties at these local meetups. So it's a great place to spend 1 or 2 nights a month connecting with the local community and getting to know other real estate investors and contractors and, you know, private money lenders and hard money lenders and insurance agents. All those people that work in the real estate investing industry meet once a month there, but also you can find deals or find connections that you will eventually find deals from at those local meetups. You got to go meet other people, and you will be rewarded through relationships as well as potential house buys. I am putting a major focus this year on helping new real estate investors get over their fear of investing and get started in 2023 on the right foot. So if that interests you at all, make sure you're following and subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out and also when I go live. You're not going to learn more from another channel out there. I promise. I put more energy and effort and actual actionable content out there than anybody in this space. So make sure to follow me here and all my platforms. I would love to help you get on that path towards financial freedom. See you on the next one.